Utuko wa gukia kwa mwaka mweru nyumba-ini itiganite cia ikeno ndumo iracacite o uu wega andu magikenio ni kiria mahuthagira na iria mathuthagira ngoro. Nayo ngogoyo ya mwagoyo ya tata muno makagwa dashi-ini maya mothe metereire mwaka mweru wa 2025 na ciakinya thaa 5 na ndagika 59 marambiriria gutara.
Merry Christmas, new things, new life.
Ndake na muno kurugia mwaka haha na 2025 ikuwe mwaka wa baraka kwa kila mtu.
Kitu moja nitamwambia, we are really struggling manze kama Gen Zs. Tumempush to the corner but lazima tatusikiza tu. 2024 tumekuwa na push and pull every time and here and there, si ndio? Lakini in 2025 atusikize manze.
We thank God. So far so good. 366 out of 366. It's been a tough year, so a lot of things are happening, but we hope from next year everything gonna be okay. Inshallah.
People that come to support us, we really want to thank you and to wish you a very amazing 2025. It's gonna be amazing for all of us. We will have time to drink, we'll have time to catch up, celebrate and even win.
O maugite maingirite mwaka uyu na mwihoko na witikio wati gukorwo gwi kwega gukira mwaka wa 2024.
But we hoping next year kila kitu itakuwa sawa.
What I want the government to do is to pay the interns who are working in the hospital and all the doctors who are working in the hospital.
Ra hoya thirikari mwaka-ini umwe wa 2025 magerirwo the mangihota kuhetukira ruhonge rwa tourism ma make sure ni industry no itu ni atuika vibrant rigi na mendie Kenya ta destination na ona Mount Kenya is a very good destination to tukena kundu kingi muno kungisherwo.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Jenga wa Wabui.